So hello everyone, in this video we will write a program to check whether the character is vowel and consonant. So basically what we will do, we will take a character input from the user, and after taking the input the program has to tell whether the character is vowel or consonant. So we know that we have five vowels in the English, that is E, then I, and then O, then U. So these are the five vowels in the English. So let us see how we can write the program for this one. So first we have to write the header file. So let us just write the header file, and then we will write the main function. So let us write void main, and then we have to do the variable declaration. As you can see, only one variable is needed for this program, that is the user will give character as the input. So let us declare the variable, and data type will be character, right? As we can see, the vowel and consonant are character only, so data type will be character. So just declare character, and character anything you can declare. I am declaring character ch. Oh, it has not any special meaning, so whatever came into my mind, I have just declared it. So fine, then we have to take the input. So before taking the input we will print one instruction for the user. So you will tell the user enter the character, right? And then we will take the input for the character. So it is of type, data type will be percentage %c, and the variable name is ch. So we have taken the input. Now we need to write our logic. So let us see how we can write the logic. So we have to check whether the character is vowel or consonant. So we will check like this. So we will check for vowels. In if part we will check for vowels, and in else part we will tell that it is consonant, right? If character is not vowel, then it is consonant. There are only we have only two options. This, any third thing is not there, right? So we will write like this. If ch equal to A. So first vowel is A. Then we will write OR in the middle. So you cannot apply AND here, because for AND to be true, all the cases should be true at the same time, right? So one single character cannot be everything. One single character cannot be A, E, I, O, U at the same time, right? That is why we have to write OR condition in the middle. And we have seen these operators, right? These are the logical operators. We are combining the condition using the logical operators. So this is the one of the use of the logical operator. We will see many uses, we will see many examples like that. Then we will see, then we will tell character equal to E. Again we will write character equal to I. So again we will combine with OR, and we will say character equal to O, and we will write the last one, character equal to U. So A, E, I, O, U, and we have combined all the things using the OR operator, so that even if one condition is true, even if any of the condition is true, our if this complete part will be true, right? So what is the working of the OR logical statement, or logical operator? So for OR logical operator, even if one condition is true, the whole statement will be the whole condition is true, right? So if this condition is true, suppose if this complete condition is true, we simply have to tell the entered character, or we can write like this: character, the character percentage %c is vowel, right? And let us give new line here, and in the place of percentage %c, ch value should be taken. In the else part, if our character is not from these five, right? So if our character is not from these five, then we can simply tell that our character is consonant. So we will simply print the character percentage %c is consonant, and in the place of percentage %c we should give the value of variable ch. So this is our program. This is very simple program. We have to check whether we have to enter one character first, and then we have to say whether it is vowel or consonant. So it is very simple. Just I have taken the input, and we are checking this condition. If character matches with any of the five letters A, E, I, O, U, we will tell that character is vowel. Otherwise, we will tell that character is consonant. So This thing you have to keep in mind whenever you are using any character, that should be enclosed within the single quotes. Otherwise, if you are not enclosing within the single quotes, that will not be a character constant. That will become a variable, right? So let us just save our program and execute it. So it is getting compiled. Let us just wait. As you can see, there are no errors and no warnings here. Then we will just execute our program. It is asking enter the character. Let us give capital E. Now, if you observe here, it is telling that character E is consonant, right? But character E is vowel. Why it is coming consonant? Because in our condition we are checking only for the small letters. We are not checking for the capital letters. So as a programmer, you should check for all the conditions, right? So you cannot say that you should give only a small letters as the input. You cannot say to the user, because real world is crazy. User will give any input. User will check for all the input. So your program should be valid for all the cases. So let us just add those conditions also. What I will do, I will just copy this here and I will give or condition in the middle and I will just paste it once again, and then I will replace everything with capital one, right? Because capital A is also a vowel, right? Capital capital AEIOU are also vowels. So we have to check for capital letters also. So let us just save our program. We'll compile it once again. So after making any modification in the program, you must compile the program, otherwise you will be getting previous output only. This I have told in past videos also, so this is very important. Is asking enter the character. Now we have written a completely valid program. Let us give complete capital A. The character capital A is vowel, right? So A is vowel only. Let us check for consonant also, so that we will get satisfied that we are getting correct output for our program. So let us give T. The character T is consonant. T is consonant only. We have only 5 vowels and we have 21 consonants in our English alphabet. So this is our program to check whether the character is vowel or consonant. If you have any doubt with respect to this video, please mention in the